गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस। तो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैंने लेट में स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि कुछ था ही नहीं करने के लिए सुबह से दिखाने के लिए, इसलिए अभी हम जा रहे हैं ताई लोगों के घर, कज़न्स के घर। देखते हैं वहाँ क्या होता है, वहाँ चिल करेंगे, फिर आपको मिलते हैं। ओके। तो अभी हम आ चुके हैं ताई लोगों के घर और ये है
Yes,
बड़ा भाई मेरा।
I welcome all of you on this channel, and today we'll introduce you how the Pahadi garden looks like.
आज हम इन्वायरमेंट डे मना रहे हैं। आपको गार्डन दिखाएंगे कि क्या क्या लगा है, तो उसी को हम पहाड़ी स्टाइल में दिखाएंगे। तो अभी मेरा चैनल मेरे भाई के जिम में होगा और ये उस पर फोकस होगा। सो इन्वायरमेंट डे पे ओवर टू यू भैया।
Okay, so once again I welcome all of you on this channel, and today, as we know that the entire world is celebrating Environment Day. So basically, we try to make a clip on how a Pahadi garden look like, and we will try to film a short video on that how my Pahadi garden look like. This garden is maintained by my Didi, and she did her masters in in this particular domain. So I'll show you the variety of plants
In
we
botany.
have. Yeah, in botany. So in this garden today I'll show you the variety of plants we have, and I'll tell you that how this garden is helping not only us but the nearby people also. Tulsi bush. So this is, we have a holy Tulsi bush, and every evening and morning we do a certain kind of puja here, so that the blessings will be keep on us. Now follow me. Now you can see that this we have makki, and then this we have we call it khira. In Gadwali we call it,
पहाड़ी
in Pahadi what we call it,
खीरा
kakhedi.
काखेड़ी।
Yes. Now come, this is we call it cholai in Hindi, and we call it chuwa in Gadwali. So then we have, okay, now we have a lemon bush. So viewers, let me tell you one thing, that when I bought this, okay, viewers, let me tell you one thing, that when I bought this from nursery, so in that time it has 2-3 lemons, but after 1.5 year, now you can see there's no lemon. So I think that they kept this.
ठगा दिया।
Yeah, thaga diya, you can say that. Now follow me. Turmeric, haldi bush, turmeric. Okay. Then we again have a tomato. Now you can see that small reddish hybrid tomatoes.
टमाटर।
Yes.
In
And
Pahadi
you can,
style.
yes, and you can grow these all also in a small pot. The arvi we call in Hindi. I don't know what we call in English, but in Pahadi we call it pinao. Okay.
क्या 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 इन पहाड़ी।
We call it pinao. Now this is what we call a lady finger bush. So I know that many of our viewers may not know that how the lady finger grows. So this is kind of bush, and like this till here, and then you can see the lady finger from different directions on it. Image is on this. Can you see?
वाओ नाइस।
Yes.
व्हाट वी कॉल इन पहाड़ी
Yeah, in Pahadi we call it makka.
गुड मक्का।
Makka, yes. Yeah, mungari.
मुंगरी।
Yes. Now again follow me. This is what we call in chukundar in Hindi, and I think bitter root in English. I don't know what exactly called. I think bitter root. This area you can see that. Yeah, this is basically we have papaya tree. Have you saw papaya tree? This is a beautiful papaya tree, and it's a small kid right now. So after I think 4-5 months it will grown up, and then you can have a full-fledged papaya tree, and you will observe that there are so many of yellowish reddish papaya will be there. So now I will tell you that this entire area is covered by the turmeric only, and we have, yeah, one more thing I will tell you. Now you can see this one. In Pahadi we call it tedu, but I don't know what we call it in English, but I know that in Pahadi we call it tedu, and it's a kind of like we have in potatoes, like they are underground fruits. Let me show you something that that is one of my favorite bushes. You can say that it's a groundnut bushes, and you can see that like this. So in winter time you can take out, and you will have beautiful groundnuts here. Now I'll show you the beans bushes we have, and my elder sister planted them. Now you can see that beautiful beans bushes, and the beans are still there.
And doggy is still there.
Yes. Again a tomato bush. Now you green vegetable, but because of continuous rain, they that rain damage them. But still you can plug it and make a good green vegetables. Yes, let me tell you. Recently I bought some few brinjals, small plants, and few days back I planted them. But still they are small kids. But I hope in within 2-3 weeks they'll grown up and they'll give us beautiful brinjals. Again, viewer, let me tell you that this area is, again you can see this is totally green, and this area is compromised with turmeric. We have lady finger. Yes, now I'll show you little lady finger. Come on, come closer. Come closer. You can see that this is a fullish grown lady finger, and you can pluck it and make a tasty and delicious green vegetable. Yes. Let me show you a beautiful plant. We call it pomegranate plant. It's one of my favorite, and you can see that reddish flower in it. And then we have again tedu. We have again yes, we call it, like you can see that marigold flowers. It's a beautiful flower. And we have, then this area is covered by betwas. In Gadwali we call it betwa. So viewers, you can observe that this entire garden is separated in small parts, right? Small package. We have maki, we have beans, we have betwa, we have pomegranate. Now I will show you the beautiful and the most loving part of this garden is the mangoes. Now can you see that mangoes? This one. Yes. Yeah, this is basically
hybrid plant.
yes. So
Nice.
yes, show me. Yeah, so I bought this Amarpalli plant, hybrid plant, in last year during I think month of September, October. Then I planted it, and this year you can see that they are beautiful. There although there are so many mangoes, but because of rain, hails and storms, they fallen down, and only two remains. Now I'll show you that it's a permanent chamola plant, we call in Pahadi. And like in beans, they are temporary shrubs. In one season they'll give you, and next season they'll disappear, right? They will die out. But this plant is something that it's a kind of evergreen, and you'll have a vegetable all of a year, and it remain till 4-5 years. I'll tell you that in this entire region, I planted small chilies plant. You can see that, and they are in this chili plant also there are few categories of we call it ghost chilies. And viewers, if you heard about the ghost chili, they are small in size, but they are very sharp. Even that's why we call it ghost chili. If you eat a small piece of that, you will become ghost. Okay, so now viewers, I will tell you the bitter gourd. This is, we call it Karela. Now you can see the Karela shrubs here. Again, tomato we have, and then this area is again occupied by turmeric. And have you saw the ginger plant? I'll show you the ginger plant, how the ginger plant will look like. We have here ginger plant. Okay, yes, this is a ginger plant. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll show you how the ginger plant look like. Can you see it? Show to our viewers. This is a ginger plant, we call it. Now again, come closer. I'll show you. Okay, now viewers, I will show you the Malta plant. Have you heard about Malta? Yeah, Pahadi Malta. It's a Pahadi Malta plant, and Santra. Yes, you can also call it Santra. And after a few years, it will grown up, and you will have a juicy Santras. Again, this is a papaya plant. You can see that there are few papayas still there, but because these plants they are giving too much of oxygen to us and making the surroundings neat and clean. You my beautiful rose
Flower pot.
Yeah, flower pot. It's a rose flower pot. Now come ahead. It's a tulsi flower plot. Yes, and it's a Pahadi flower plot. We call it Kunja. Yes, Kunja. Yes. Now you can see that these are, what do you call them? Sunflowers. Yeah, these are some. Now the beautiful thing about sunflower is that the beautiful thing about sunflower that they change the direction according to sun. Now you can see right now the sun is in this direction. These all flowers penetrate up to in that particular direction, right? So now I will tell you Tulsi gap. So this is called we have Ram Tulsi. Then we have Kali Tulsi. We also call it Sham Tulsi. Okay. Then we have this particular flower, we call it Salvia. This is purple salvia, this is red salvia, and this is white salvia. Once again, we have this is aloe vera pot. This entire pot you can see covered by aloe vera. Then again come geranium, and it's a reddish geranium. So in geranium also there are 4-5 types, like in white geranium, pink geranium, red geranium, right? Red geranium, and now you can see this is white geranium. Yes, again come closer. This is again a tulsi, beautiful tulsi. So viewers, I will tell you that this entire area is covered by so much of tulsi plants. They are small tulsi, and the good thing about the tulsi plant is that they give oxygen 24 hours. Like in people we call it people tree. So in the same way, they give continuously oxygen 24 hours. We have a palm tree, a palm not tree, it's a shrub, and we have a ghost chili here. Can you see that? We call it ghost chili plant, and now you can see that there are flowers are there. So this is a place that I love the most, and when I woke up in the morning, I do yoga here like this. I do yoga. I keep a mat here, and then I do like a dhyan. So it's a beautiful place surrounded by the greenery, and you will get a fresh air. You can do a meditation here to clean your thoughts. Okay, viewer, let me show my strawberry pot to you. Now you can see that beautiful strawberries are here. Ahead. Again, this is a indoor plant. Beautiful. I don't know what's its name, but it's an indoor plant, and it's a beautiful. Then we have again a white geranium. We have, and then again inside we have different types of plants are here. They are every morning when I woke up, I saw them, and I feel a certain kind of peace in my head. Now, viewers, you saw that the entire garden, and this garden is maintained by my didi, my mother, and sometimes during off time I also maintain it. Okay viewers, now we show you our entire garden, and trust me, there are many plants still in the garden which didn't cover in this particular clip, but I hope you enjoy it, and I'll recommend you that you can also maintain a small garden or whatever space you have according to your space, or if you don't have a space, you can make something creative and some innovative ideas. Like in roof, you can put some plastic sheet and put some soil on it, and then you can grow your own garden on terrace. Viewers, if you have any suggestion, you can comment below, and if you have a clip of your own garden, you can also post that on this. You can mail on us, and we'll post on this platform. And I hope you enjoyed that clip. And once again, I wish all our viewers, that happy Environment Day, and try to plant plants or trees, whatever you have in your own campus, own premises, and make the entire world beautiful. This is all from my side. Thank you. Jai Hind. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of your love and dear ones, and Jai Hind.
ये भैया की तरफ से हो गया भैया?
Yes, I'm done with it.
हाँ, चलो फिर अब ऊपर से दिखाते हैं आपको व्यू और 1-2 स्लोमो शॉट्स. ओके, बाय बाय. तो कैसा लगा आपको मेरे भाई का एक्सप्लेनेशन पूरे गार्डन का? इसमें इन्वायरमेंट डे पे हमने ये बनाया छोटा सा क्लिप. होप यू लाइक इट, एंजॉय इट. तो चलो फिर हम नीचे चलते हैं, फिर आपको दिखाते हैं. शी इज़ द वन हु मेंटेन द गार्डन. अब आप हंस के दिखाओ. हेलो बोलो. हेलो. तो बहुत बार दिख गया. दीदी हेलो. ये है हमारी दीदी, सबसे बड़ी दीदी. सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही रखते हैं. अगर आपको अच्छी लगी वीडियो तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना ना भूलें, और कमेंट करना कि कौन सा पार्ट अच्छा लगा. ठीक है, ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. मिलते हैं कल ऐसी किसी नई व्लॉग में. ओके, बाय बाय.